Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore everything that makes your beauty routine shine. Today, we're checking out something a little sparkly, a little versatile, and a total eye-catcher, the LORAC Unzipped Eyeshadow Palette. This palette promises a mix of matte, shimmer, and glitter finishes, and it comes in a gorgeous gold color scheme. Let's see how it really performs in the real world. Opening the palette, the first thing you notice is the luxurious presentation. The shades range from soft neutrals to rich metallics, all in powder form. A neat trick LORAC highlights is that the shimmer shades can be applied wet or dry, which adds some flexibility depending on the look you're going for. In my testing, incorporating these shades into a morning look was straightforward. The mattes blended beautifully without fading, which is a must for all-day wear. The shimmers were striking, especially when applied damp. They really pop without feeling chunky or flaky. Layering them over the mattes created a nice depth, which is perfect for someone who likes versatile palettes for both day and night looks. One thing to note, the glitter shades are intense, so a light hand works best to avoid fallout. I'd say the pros here are pretty clear. The palette has excellent pigmentation, the shade range is versatile, and the ability to use shimmer shades wet or dry gives you more creative control. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-friendly, which is always a bonus. On the flip side, some of the lighter shimmer shades can be a little powdery, and as I mentioned, glitter fallout is something to watch if you're layering heavily. In terms of value for money, this palette sits in the mid to upper range of eyeshadow palettes. Considering the blendability, pigment, and versatility, I think it's justified if you're looking for a palette that can handle multiple looks. If budget is a concern, there are less expensive palettes with similar shade ranges, but they might not match the same smooth texture or the wet-dry shimmer functionality. Comparing it to other palettes in its category, LORAC really shines in its mix of matte and glitter finishes, and the wet application option sets it apart from many mainstream palettes. Build quality is solid. The pans feel sturdy, and the palette holds up well after repeated use, so it should last a good while. If you've used LORAC's customer service before, you know they're typically responsive and helpful, which adds a bit of reassurance when purchasing higher-end palettes online. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the LORAC Unzipped Eyeshadow Palette hits most of the right notes. A beautiful gold color story, flexible shimmer options, and strong pigmentation. It's ideal for makeup enthusiasts who love to mix mattes and metallics, experiment with shimmer in different ways, and want a palette that can handle both everyday and glam looks. If you're drawn to versatile, high-quality eyeshadows, this one is worth a look. Thanks for watching, beauties. Don't forget, you can find the link to grab this palette in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried it, drop a comment and let us know how you like to use it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.